Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CB500F Sport Twin motorcycle. Beautiful condition with a lot of really cool accessories. Only 1,477 miles. It's got the bar end mirrors, adjustable levers. Wait till you hear that Yoshi exhaust system. Really cool blue paint scheme. 500 twin sport. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's also got the engine guards. This bike really has a lot of great curb appeal. It's not going to be here long. Come on by. Make your twin cylinder 500 dreams come true with this gorgeous 18 model Honda. Only $59.99. This thing is not going to be here long. I know I said that before, but this bike stands tall. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.